My name is Young Ha. I'm an interior designer in New York City. I opened my firm in 2007 and it's been 13 years of lots of fun. Every project has to be thoughtful, seamless. It has to be executed with amazing attention to detail. We first try to understand what the intention or the philosophy is for the project. Once we sort of understand the objective, then we have to think about what the color story is. Color is so important. Color is what creates the emotion, the sort of visceral reaction that we all have to a space. We like color to be repeated throughout. The colors in a pillow are really important to that overall color story. Lighting is so important in considering color. One of the most important things to have people understand is color is not static. It's sort of a living thing. It interacts with your eyes, with the light, with the environment around. Other colors in other rooms affect how you perceive color in this room. Every day you have to practice. Every day you have to be patient with your practice. And every day I'm learning. The most important thing in the end is that our clients are happy and pleased with the results.